Hi students, welcome to Unit 2. We are going to be working with text this unit, and we're going to understand better how to work within InDesign using text, formatting text, adding text, creating and applying styles. We won't get too heavy into that, but editing text. Understanding just the little idiosyncrasies that make things more legible and more readable throughout your type space within InDesign. So you have the Unit 2 instructions, so be sure to read those. And you'll also want to take a look at Karen Cavett. She's kind of a fun graphic designer from the Rhode Island School of Design, breaking down some previous misconceptions about what graphic design is. Also, exporting IDML. I know several of you were working in the library, and I apologize. I sometimes forget that we have people on campus working in the library taking the online class. So what I did is I did export these files to a lower version so that I did that for the above Unit 1. You should find that within the Unit 1 exercise files. Those are now give you an IDML option, which is a lower version option so that you're able to use those. I now have those for you in Unit 2 right away so that you're able to work in the lower versions if that's all you're able to access for the term or for the that particular week. Then note that you do have that ability to now work within both the higher versions. The latest version is Creative Cloud 2017 or Creative Cloud 2014 if you want and above. We don't have the ability to access any earlier versions, but I doubt any of you will be working in any of those really, really old versions. So there's a video to add text and a video to format text, and then you'll want to use those files, go through the videos, and submit the work here. Again, these are very similar to just video tutorials, so I do not expect that they be absolutely identical to the end file that you see. Everyone has a different system, therefore some of the type formats differently, and so I just want to make you all aware of that. Next, be sure you answer the forum on best practices with type in InDesign. That is always important. I like to see your approach to that, what you think, what are 2 ways you can utilize typography most effectively, and then respond. It says there's no need to respond to your peers for this week. That's good. So some of them I have that because I think it's good to respond to certain things, and then sometimes you're working on other projects. This particular week, we introduced Project 1, the full page ad. The initial ideas are just ideas. I want you to brainstorm, thinking about something that might wanna be interesting. It could be something funny, but it's a full page, full color ad, and I want you to take a look through magazines. You can look online, just things that might inspire you, certain design styles that you've noticed this year, and then think about ideas for this. And it's going to be on a chair ad. The requirements are located in the Unit 1 instructions. So the chair ad will have an actual photo, a texture, and some text, a call to action, a title, maybe some descriptive terms about the chair. Again, that's all outlined up here in the Unit 2 instructions. So if you have questions on any of that, let me know. But for this week, it's just ideas, and ideas should take you a while. You should really be thinking about them. Maybe you actually draw some out. They don't have to be fully rendered, but very small little sketches where you show text, image, and layout, how you might lay out some of the different elements for your ad. Okay, if any of you have questions, again, find me on my office hours. Have a great week and enjoy what you're learning this week. See you in next unit's virtual video.